Hey everyone, and welcome back to Brains Are Beautiful. I'm Miss Pacific Coast, and in today's episode we are going to be looking at sparklers, but more than anything, the science behind them. I have to say, the 4th of July has me embracing my inner nerd and inner pyro, and I am so excited for this video, so I thought what better way than to celebrate the 4th with a little bit of chemistry and physics behind the sparklers. So these are so much fun. First and foremost, it's chemistry. They combine a chemical mixture that they put on a sticky wire. And so basically what this is, it has 4 main substances. The first one is fuel, the next is binder, an oxidizer, and metals. And basically all of these combine to give you the fun known as the sparkler. An oxidizer, let's break this down a little bit. An oxidizer basically releases oxygen. Yay for combustion. The next thing, metals, is what you see basically that are sparking. Those are combined with a fuel, and those are then combined with a binder. A lot of times for a binder, they will use something like a dextrin, almost like a sugar. And what this does is it's kind of combined in like a slurry of water, and then you can take a wire and you basically dip it in this mixture and you get the phenomenon known as the sparkler. So that is the chemistry side with the chemical reactions. The next side is the physics side, and I see 2 really big physics principles in these. The first one is temperature. Sparklers can burn up to 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is basically 30 times the degrees of the human body. The human body is at 98.6, and sparklers, they can burn up to 3,000 Fahrenheit. So it's pretty exciting. The next thing you see is the sparks and the light. So the light is actually on the air, is when the electrons get excited and they jump energy levels inside the atoms. And this will let off little bits of light. That's the light emitting part. And then there's also something that's wicked awesome. It's called black body radiation. And you'll hear a lot of physicists talk about it. And what it is actually, it goes clear back to the very beginning of fireworks in this, for sparklers. And what it does is it actually is basically the heating of a solid body. So it's the heating of a solid chunk of metal. And when you heat a solid chunk of metal at different degrees, it basically emits different colors. That's not light reflected, it's not light refracted, it's the actual metal heating up. And so it's really cool. So the different types of metals, the different, temperatures they burn at would emit different colors. So you'll see that in the metal itself, and then of course you'll see the light being emitted by the energy jumping state, the electrons jumping energy states from the gas that's emitted. So anyway, I hope we learned a little bit more about fireworks and specifically sparklers, since firecrackers work different, but specifically sparklers today. And now let's go play with some sparklers.